Hello, my dear children. A warm welcome to everyone in my grammar lessons in your favorite educational channel, Aao Padhe. I hope you all are doing good in school and enjoying free classes in Aao Padhe because learning here is interesting, easy and fun. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates of different subjects. So children, let us come to the point. In today's video, we will learn about the basics of subject-verb agreement. Before understanding subject-verb agreement, we will see what is subject and verb in a sentence, how to identify subject and verb in a sentence, what exactly is subject-verb agreement, basic rules surrounding it. So without a further go, let's get started. What is subject in a sentence? The subject of a sentence is a person, place, thing or idea that is doing or being something. Now, what is verb in a sentence? It is the action performed by the subject or state of being. Let's understand it with an example. Rohan plays tennis regularly. Now, to identify the subject in the sentence, ask who is performing the action here. Yes, it is Rohan. So, Rohan is the subject here. And to identify the verb, ask question, what subject is performing? Yes, it is playing. So, plays here is the verb in this case. So, in this case, we identify subject and verb in a sentence by asking these questions. Now, based on point of view, subject may be in first person, second person or third person. You can see in the picture, in first person we have I and we, in second person we have you and in third person we have he, she, it and they. And based on count, subject may be singular or plural. Now, let us understand what is subject-verb agreement. For making a sentence grammatically correct, a verb must agree with its subject in number. That is, to say in any sentence, singular subject must have singular verb and plural subject must have plural verb. Children, this is the most important rule for subject-verb agreement. Please note, this statement holds true only if the subject is in third person. Now, let's look into some examples to understand it more clearly. We'll see now when the subject is singular. That monkey eats banana. Here, subject is monkey, which is singular. So, verb will also be singular. In this case, it is eats. Let's look into one more example. This car goes fast. Here, the subject is car, which is singular. So, verb will also be singular. Therefore, in this case, the verb is goes. Now, let's look into some same examples where the subject is plural. Those monkeys eat bananas. Here, in this sentence, the subject is monkeys, which is plural in form. So, the verb is also plural, that is eat. Let's look into one more example. These cars go fast. Here the subject is cars, which is plural in form. Therefore, the verb will also be plural, that is go. So children, this is the most basic and important rule of subject-verb agreement. That is, if the subject is singular, the verb will also be singular. And if the subject is plural, the verb will also be in plural form. Okay? And please note one more thing, that we have seen examples only where the subject, where the third person is used. Okay. Now let's look into some more examples where the subject is not in third person. I read newspaper regularly. Here the subject is I, which is singular, but the verb is read, which is plural in form. Let's look into one more example. We read newspaper regularly. Here we is the subject, which is plural in form, and verb read is also in plural form. So in case of first and second person, there is no rule of singular subject, singular verb, and plural subject, plural verb. Please remember this concept also. There are some important rules related to subject-verb agreement. Those rules we will discuss in my next video. Okay, now let's quickly revise what we have learned in this lesson. In the beginning, we understood the subject and verb in the sentence. Then we understood, how to identify subject and verb in any sentence. Then we learned what is subject-verb agreement. Finally, we have seen some examples of subject-verb agreement and general rules. So children, that's all in today's video. If you have any queries and suggestions, please write in the comment box. Our Aao Padhe app is also available where learning will be on your fingertips. So download it. The link is there in the description box. Stay tuned with Aao Padhe. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.